how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. So let's get started. So basically guys, you'll have to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Wi-Fi management app as like Fing in Network Scanner and simply download it. After installation, open the app and grant any permissions it requests, such as access to Wi-Fi networks and device informations. So if this is your first time using Fing, then you might need to create an account. So now firstly continue with the process and you will be taken to the page where you'll have to log into your Fing account. If you don't have any account, then tap on the sign up option available there. So you will have to follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password and set up your account. After creating an account, or if you already have one, tap on sign in or login and again enter the email address and password associated with your Fing account. And once you have entered your credentials and once you are inside your Fing account, Fing will scan your Wi-Fi network and display a list of devices connected to it. You can view details about each device, manage them and perform network diagnostics using the app. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.